Alright guys, quick install slash review video today. We're looking at the Billiebars Tailgate insert for a Gen 3 Toyota Tacoma. Nothing too difficult, but I figured I'd give you guys a little deeper look because there's not a lot of videos, but not a difficult one to do. You're looking at 16 bolts, take them out, swap them, put them on the new one. They are going to be a size T30 Torx bit. I'm using it on a drill. You can use a ratchet. We're going to throw a little bit of Loctite. As far as build goes, you've got 2 layers of foam actually. If you order the stock one, you've only got one color choice, black on top of bare aluminum, which isn't a bad thing. If you want to kick up, I think it's 600, you can do custom colors, all that fun stuff, custom designs. I'm pretty happy with the stock one, but I'm going to take all 16 screws out, show you guys what we're working with, and then we'll throw it back in. Quick note about the screws. You're going to have 2 different sizes, a small and a big. Your big ones are going to go along the top of the tailgate, and then the smaller ones are sides and bottom of your tailgate. Once you've got all the screws out, you're going to pop the old insert out. Should come right out, no problem. I gave it a quick clean with a rag just to get any dirt or stuff like that left over. I had mentioned the Loctite. We're not going to do that because I'm going to be taking this back off in a couple weeks to do the tailgate unlock kit, but that'll be a different video. As far as orienting it, you've got the flag here, so it's fairly idiot proof. Make sure you snap both of the cups in, and putting it back in should be pretty easy. You just got to tuck it under this lip right here, same as the old one. Alright, quick shot now that it's done. Convenient, looks clean, well made. Like I said, it's all American made. I think he's out of Pennsylvania someplace, and he does it all himself, which is pretty cool. But yeah, well made, good quality materials. There's some cheap ones, some cheap Alibaba ones on Amazon right now, but just kick up to this one, it's not that much more. As far as the install went, very straightforward. Like I said, long bolts on the top. You'll be able to, if you're using a ratchet on a very low setting, you'll get a little bit more on those. These will not ratchet, so be very gentle. I'd actually tell you to use a hand ratchet for all of them, but I'm lazy. So other than that, pretty happy. I think it went for either 300 even or 375, something like that. And the generic, plastic cutting board style ones are maybe 250, somewhere around there. But a lot better either way than this stuff. This was a pain in the butt if you're camping, you're working on it. Very annoying to try and work on this, but the new one, nice and convenient. Overall, I'm pretty happy. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments.